Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about one of the best things ever, how to make your puppy happy. Because let's face it, a happy puppy means a happy life for both of you. Let's dive in. First things first, playtime is essential. Puppies have tons of energy, so make sure to set aside time every day for fun activities. Whether it's fetch, tug of war, or just running around the yard, playtime helps them burn off energy and bond with you. And don't forget the toys. Chew toys, squeaky toys, and puzzle toys are great for keeping them entertained and mentally stimulated. Next up, treats. Positive reinforcement is key to a happy puppy. Reward good behavior with treats, but make sure they're healthy and appropriate for their age and size. Treats also make training fun and rewarding. Don't underestimate the power of cuddles. Puppies thrive on love and affection. Spend quality time petting, snuggling, and talking to them. It strengthens your bond and makes them feel safe and loved. Another must-do, exercise and exploration. Take your puppy for walks, let them sniff around, and introduce them to new environments. It's great for their physical health and helps them socialize with the world. Lastly, keep them comfortable. Regular grooming, a cozy bed, and a clean space are all part of keeping your puppy happy and healthy. And there you have it. Simple tips to keep your puppy smiling. Remember, every puppy is unique, so pay attention to what makes yours happiest. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more puppy tips, and let me know in the comments how you keep your furry friend happy. See you next time!